Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Drones have transformed how warfare is carried out. Not only dedicated military systems, but off-the-shelf drones can create serious security concerns for a military. Detecting and neutralizing these systems has turned into a challenge that demands multiple solutions. Although the program ended in 2017, it is worth noting that Dutch police once trained eagles to intercept unauthorized drones. No-drone zones are widely implemented at military and federal installations and are frequently protected by sophisticated anti-drone equipment, such as capture nets and radio frequency jammers. Personnel are trained to recognize and neutralize aerial threats using specialist gear and tactical methods through modern counter-UAS, unmanned aerial system instruction. Security teams rehearse tracking drone signatures, jamming hostile systems, engaging them with small arms, and coordinating rapid response measures against emerging unmanned threats during demanding training sessions. Marine gunners complete intensive counter-UAS instruction with M240B machine guns to become skilled in airborne threat response. Members of the LAD, Low Altitude Air Defense Battalion, are adept at tracking moving objects, forecasting flight paths, and applying accurate fire to engage. These Marines also have the option to deploy the M1014 semi-automatic combat shotgun as a versatile asset in counter-drone operations. In settings where small, unmanned aerial systems create sudden and unpredictable risks, maintaining a close-range defensive capability is essential. The May 1014 delivers a rapid response solution that does not depend on complex guidance systems or lengthy setup time, making it well-suited for base defense and perimeter security missions. Through focused training, these defenders learn how to track, lead, and engage small aerial targets that may move unpredictably or hover briefly before shifting direction. The shotgun's spread pattern raises the likelihood of a hit against compact flying drones, particularly at short distances where reaction time is limited. Marines are trained to choose suitable ammunition types and engagement ranges to maximize effectiveness while preserving safety and accountability. Within layered defense concepts, the shotgun supports electronic warfare systems and other counter-unmanned capabilities, offering a straightforward, dependable solution when drones slip through outer detection or disruption zones. Marines can also utilize the Smash 2000L fire control system to refine their counter-drone abilities.
I got it. There you go.
This advanced optic calculates complex ballistics, automatically tracks aerial threats, and enables exceptionally accurate engagement of enemy drones. Systems like the Drone Defender, a groundbreaking counter-UAS weapon, are becoming increasingly vital to soldiers operating in modern battle spaces. This advanced system, unlike conventional weaponry, employs directed energy technology to disrupt enemy drone communications without firing rounds. The Drone Defender emits radio frequencies that sever the hostile drone's connection to its operator once operators lock onto a target. The most notable feature of this technology is its capability to block GPS signals, which prevents the unmanned aircraft from returning to its launch site. The effectiveness of the equipment in tactical situations was demonstrated by infantry units during exercises at Fort Bliss. At bases such as Al Udeid Air Base, AUAB, defending against small unmanned aerial systems requires advanced technology and experienced operators. In addition to constantly scanning for aerial threats, dedicated CS-UAS, counter-small UAS controllers maintain specialized detection equipment. These specialists rely on modern equipment to detect and eliminate unauthorized drones while working alongside base security forces. CS-UAS capabilities are becoming increasingly essential to base defense, as military leaders recognize that unmanned threats are a growing form of warfare. These forward-thinking defensive approaches show how the military adapts to evolving technological demands. Aware that their experience will shape future counter-drone operations, the personnel involved in this mission take pride in being part of these defensive efforts. Innovative net capture technologies are being employed more frequently in modern counter-drone operations to safely remove unwanted aircraft. To evaluate these advanced drone hunting capabilities, testing programs gather trainees and experienced operators. Specialized nets allow forces to capture undamaged UASs for analysis, instead of destroying potentially valuable intelligence sources. These systems reduce collateral damage by deploying nets that entangle the target drone's control surfaces and rotors, forcing it to the ground. These non-kinetic methods are particularly effective in sensitive locations where conventional weaponry could be hazardous. Tactical alternatives such as these are continually refined through field evaluations, providing defenders with practical tools against unmanned threats. Rheinmetall AG is a German technology group headquartered in Dusseldorf. The company's history dates back to the late 1890s, when it was known as the Rheinische Metal and Machine Factory Corporation. Over time, Rheinmetall gradually expanded from producing machinery into several different sectors, including defense, arms, and automotive components. As a result, it is now capable of manufacturing some of the most advanced mobile weapons systems in the world. In recent years, defense organizations worldwide have grown increasingly conscious of the dangers posed by drones. Also referred to as unmanned aerial vehicles, drones are remotely operated or autonomous aircraft that range in size from large planes to nearly invisible handheld devices. Nevertheless, even the smallest drones can breach friendly airspace to gather intelligence or even conduct precision strikes. To counter drone attacks, Rheinmetall created its Skynex truck. This cutting-edge vehicle is highly mobile, with advanced capabilities throughout. However, it essentially serves as a platform for the Sky Shield anti-aircraft system. This includes a 35mm revolver cannon with a 1,000 round per minute rate of fire. Outfitted with powerful sensors and integrated radar systems, this gun can rapidly eliminate an entire wave of small surveillance drones in less than a second. The Sky Shield system can be stationed at different defense points, but it offers greater protection when mobile. While the Skynex truck transports the cannon between locations, Rheinmetall chose to develop an even more adaptable version of the weapon, the Skyranger 35. This all-terrain armored vehicle is fast and capable of navigating complex terrain with ease. Its 8 wheels enable it to move over obstacles swiftly and efficiently, while the automated cannon uses advanced search and tracking sensors to engage targets on both the ground and in the air. With its 4,000-meter range and 360-degree firing capability, the cannon is an extremely effective weapon against various threats, especially drones. Like Rheinmetall, Zakłady Mechaniczne Tarnow, more commonly referred to as ZMT, has devoted considerable time and resources to developing counter-UAV systems. The resulting weapon is known as the PSRA Pilica surface-to-air system. The Pilica is built to deliver air defense capabilities that protect military units and strategic assets from low to medium-altitude aerial threats, such as UAVs and cruise missiles. The guns feature advanced radar technology for detecting, identifying, and tracking targets, which can then be engaged with different guns and missiles, depending on the nature of the threat. Most importantly, the PSRA Pilica is highly mobile and can be deployed rapidly across multiple combat scenarios. Its Grom missile has a range of up to 5,000 meters and uses explosive fragmentation to destroy enemy targets. Aerial vehicles, whether manned or unmanned, have presented serious dangers to ground troops since the invention of the aircraft. That's why it is so vital that military units have a quick and straightforward way to engage these planes and drones. Since the early 1980s, one of the most reliable options has been the FIM-92 Stinger. The Stinger is a man-portable, shoulder-fired, surface-to-air missile system primarily used for engaging and destroying low-flying enemy aircraft. Because it is compact and relatively lightweight, the system can be operated by a single soldier. Each unit features a built-in infrared seeker to follow the heat emitted by the target aircraft, reducing the need for complicated aiming. The missile has an average range of 3 miles and can engage aircraft flying as high as 12,000 feet. However, since many drones do not produce strong heat signatures, militaries worldwide, particularly in the US, have discovered ways to integrate the system with newer radar and sensor packages to improve their capability to engage advanced targets. The United States military has recently examined the use of microwave and directed energy weapons to shoot down UAVs. There are several types of DEWs, each taking a different approach to disabling aircraft. Microwave weapons, for example, use high-powered electromagnetic radiation to interfere with or damage the drone's electronic components.
That's them, but I don't know.
By disrupting the aircraft's communication suite, flight control systems, or onboard sensors, they can cause the drone to lose control, malfunction, or crash. Electromagnetic pulse. EMP weapons release a short, intense burst of electromagnetic energy, which induces powerful electrical currents in the devices. When aimed at a drone, an EMP can overload and burn out its sensitive electronic circuitry, rendering it useless. Finally, there are lasers. These project a concentrated beam of light at the drone, melting the target mid-air. As drones continue to advance, the defenses designed to stop them must evolve as well. What once seemed like a niche threat has become a defining element of modern warfare, compelling militaries to rethink air defense from the ground up. From trained Marines engaging small aerial targets with machine guns and shotguns, to electronic systems that jam signals and capture drones intact, today's counter-UAS fight is layered, adaptive, and continually improving. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.